is this? Oh. Hi y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Ann and today I am opening a Stitch Fix box. And you can tell that it's summer because this is a really small box. So let's get into it and see what they sent me. Okay, inside every Stitch Fix box, in addition to your little bundles of clothing, they send you a mailer to mail back, paid postage, and then also you get a note from your stylist and you get suggested ways to wear what they sent you and the invoice. So I'm gonna look and just see who my stylist is. Caitlin. Well, I keep getting, each time I keep getting a different stylist. To my recollection, I've not had Caitlin before. Okay, I have not had her before. She's introducing herself. Anyway, let's look at my bundle. All right. This is the Lucy tie neck detail blouse by Daniel Rain. I think it's got some really pretty colors, really pretty. It is lined, which is good. It's got a ruffle around the neckline and then buttons partway down and then the tie. So that looks cute. Next is the Paper Moon Anola crochet detail top. I got this top, but it was in like a salmony pink that went with the tribal pants that I kept, and I like the top a lot. This is kind of blue, got some purples, might be all purple, but it's got the embroidery at the hem and at the sleeve, and it's got the 3/4 sleeve. I think it's really pretty. We'll see how that goes. And by the way, with Stitch Fix, you can go into, before you get your fix, you can go into your account. They will email you and say, come look at your preview. And I think it's around 10 pieces that they will show you, and you can pick out up to five of those if you want. You don't have to pick any, you can pick one or two. And I know that I picked this top, and I think I might have picked this one, but I picked several. So that helps a lot. That kind of makes your fix work a little bit better. But anyway, let's continue on. This is the Tessie Embroidered Bell Sleeve Top by Daniel Rain, another Daniel Rain. And now this is pretty. I don't think I picked this because this is not something I would ordinarily wear. It's got the embroidery at the bottom and at the sleeves, and then it's got that interesting detail, and then it's got these little I was going to say fleur-de-lis, but that's not what they are. Little flowers with little cutouts. So might have to wear a cami with this one, but we'll see. With the 3/4 sleeve, you never know till you try it on. These are the, let's see, what are these? This is the Rosa Commuter Woven Tapered Ankle Pant by We Wander. Never heard of We Wander. I love me a jogger for just hanging out. I guess it's not really a jogger. It is not a jogger, but it's very casual looking. I think this is cute. This is kind of right up my alley. This is what I like to wear around my house if I'm not wearing leggings like I'm wearing now. Then I like to wear these. It's got little working snaps and a working pocket. Nice. That you put your cell phone in that? I think so. And then the stretch waist with a tie. So we will see about that. And last are these, oh gosh, Fia Snap Button Capri Pant by Tribal. I've had really, really good luck with Tribal pants. And I don't have any pants this color. So they're pull-ons, just like the other ones that I have. Oh, button detail at the bottom. Did it say that? Snap button, yep. So it's snap button down here. So, all right. This box may get me in trouble. We'll see. Okay. I will go try on and we will see what we think. Before I do though, don't forget to like and subscribe. All right. These I just kept on my t-shirt because I feel like the tops that they sent me were too dressy for these pants, but I like these pants. These are the We Wonder Rosa Commuter Woven Tapered navy size small, $74. I wish they weren't $74, but I really, really like them. They're kind of they're very, very, very light. So they have these pockets, which I didn't realize, and then they have the button pockets where it does hold your cell phone and it even snaps with your, and I've got the big, whatever this is, the 13. But I like where it hits. I like where it hits at the ankle. I love the pockets. I love how light they feel. They've got, it's high-waisted with a stretch waist and a tie, which my phone had said it's a heavy, one of the heavy phones that does not feel like it's going to pull your pants down because it's so heavy if you just want to go for a walk or whatever. But I like these. All right, the second outfit. These are the these are the Tribal Fia Snap Button Capri Pant Light Gray, $58. I knew I didn't even have to try these on to know that I was gonna like them because I've got pink, I have white, I think I've got like a teal. I seem to be collecting these Fia Tribal pants. But these do have the button detail on the side, which is cute. I don't have any that have that. I don't have this color, which this will go with virtually everything, anything and everything. And I like them. I like them a lot, of course. And then this top is really pretty. This is the Daniel Rain Lucy tie neck detail blouse in blue, $64. So I just think the colors are really pretty. It goes perfect with these pants, which, like I said, pretty much anything would go with these pants. But it's just really, really, I love the colors. I showed you that it is lined, which I like that. It has the buttons halfway down, and then the tie. Give you a close-up look at all the colors. So I like these. I like, so far, 3 out of 3. I will be back with the next top. Okay, this is the Anola crochet detail top in Off-White by Paper Moon, $44. I really thought I would like this more than I do. I don't really love it. I don't, the colors, I'll keep these shoes off. The colors are not as, they just seem to kind of be dull when I looked in the mirror. I will definitely look at the video. Things always look different there, but this just lost something to me, and I don't like it as much as I thought I was going to. But here's the back, and it's got the little pearl button, longer in the back, I think. So it's got kind of bell sleeves, and it's got the little lace detail at the bottom, and then also at the bottom of the top, bottom of the top. So anyway, here's this. I will be back with the last top. Last we have the Tessie Embroidered Bell Sleeve Top in white by Pale Sky, $78. She said in my note that I had requested something from Pale Sky that they didn't have, and so she sent this. I thought this could be a 5 for 5, but this is, it is a pretty top. It is not me. I am just not a lacy person. I just don't, it just is, I'm just more simple and classic, and this is just not me. Now, I have a friend who would love this, and she would absolutely rock it, but it is not for me. It does have the button tie and the button tab in the back. The fact that it is $78 makes it even easier to let it go. But let's do a really quick wrap up. All right, here is where I'm leaning right now. I really like these. They're very comfortable. I know I would get a lot of wear out of them. I think I will keep those. This, no, I won't. I don't think I'm going to keep that. I'm on the fence about this. I think it's so pretty. I love the colors. I don't really need this. I've got just tons of sleeveless Daniel Rain tops, and I'm not that crazy about sleeveless right now. So I probably won't get that. But this is a no. And then the tribal Fia pants, I think they're going to be a yes. So I think I'm going to keep two pants, the two pants in this box, and not any of the blouses. So I do think it was a good box, all in all. But let me give you the breakdown. Okay. The Stylist Picks subtotal $318. If I got all 5, 25% off would be less $79.50, which would be, the subtotal would be $238.50 plus tax. So that would not have been a bad deal for all of these, but I'm definitely not going to keep a couple of them. So leaning towards the pants, getting the pants, leaning towards this. Let me know what y'all think. I will see you next time. Thanks, y'all. Bye-bye.